Alright guys, just want to talk a bit about why we're here and what we can do together as a community. I'm 37 years old now. I've been trading for 5 years. Really enjoy it, and I was just really lucky to have come across it. I was working in middle management in a large manufacturing business on a global scale, just leading a life of quite desperation really. I didn't enjoy my time there. I did reasonably well in my career, I would have thought, but it was just empty inside. What actually happened is I ended up going to a property seminar in Melbourne, and very serendipitously I came across a trader as a guest speaker. And after the event, I knew exactly what I was destined to do. It was the most odd feeling. When I signed up that day, I've been committed to it 100% ever since. And now I'm 5 years into the journey, and it's going very well. What I want to do is start talking to a community, I guess, of like-minded people, and start sharing a bit about my journey, how I got here, the disciplines I had to put in place to get here, and see if I can help some people along the path. Because it wasn't an easy path to walk, but it was a lot of fun. And I hope many more people walk the path behind me. Alright guys, cool. So how I'm going to take you guys on this journey, I'm going to use a vlog on YouTube, and I've got a blog on my website, forexart.com. So I hope you guys get into both of them, follow them along. The vlog side of it, what I really want to do is show you how a trader sort of lives and fits it all together. So I'm going to take you out on weekends and mornings and evenings and the school runs, and how I fit the trading into a normal day during the weekend, on weekends, and give you an idea about how much time trading really consumes if you want to be successful at it. On the blog side of things, it's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to talk about the trading itself probably more often. I'm going to talk about the psychology, some of those key things that you really need to focus on, which is generally your personality, things that you really need to hone in order to succeed at trading. And it takes a long time, because you can identify these skills, but then you really need to break it down and really reflect on yourself to move through some of these barriers so you become a consistently successful trader. It's not really talked about a lot out there. A lot of people talk about the technicals, the fundamentals. Not too many people are talking about how you can change your personality and your psychology to fit the trading and really push through and get some success after time, which is what I really want to do there. So just to give you an idea, this morning got up, normal working sort of time, 6 AM, got up, got the kids ready for school, got the lunches packed, read them a book, had a bit of downtime with the kids, got them to school. Got home, it's 9 o'clock in the morning, and I don't do the school run in the afternoon again until 2, okay? So what we're going to do there is we're going to go from here till about 1:45, and that's my time for me to do my work before I have to get back involved with the family and the kids again for the afternoon and go through that process. So this is me, this is my desk. This desk is at home. I don't have an office. I like to keep it at home because it's efficient. I don't have to waste time getting from home to an office. It wastes time. So to keep it here, as soon as I come home, I can grab a coffee, I can sit here, I can tune straight in and get into some work and really utilise those 4 or 5 or 6 hours that I get every day just to play with it. So what I'll do is I'll get into that now, and then I'll talk to you guys in a little while when we're ready for the school run again. Okay? Thank you. Alright guys, it's coming up 2 o'clock, time to go and get the kids from school. So we're going to put this down for a little while, going to jump in the car, we're going to head over, we're going to pick up the kids, we're going to spend a few hours with the kids, we're going to have a bit of fun, maybe go to the park, go to the pool, come home, dinner, bath, a book, a few cartoons maybe, then off to bed for the kids. At that point, I'll see whether or not I want to come back and do a bit more for the evening. Who knows what could happen, might be out for dinner with the wife, sit on the couch watch a movie, who knows. We'll just see how I feel at that time of day. Okay, cool. Thank you.
everyone. Just checking in. We've got through the evening's events with the kids, got them all bathed and fed and off to bed and all those sorts of things. It's a bit later in the evening now. Not going to do too much. There's a trade coming that I don't mind. I'm just going to sit here with the computer. I'm just watching a bit of TV. The trade may or may not come. It's non-farm payrolls tonight, which makes me a bit nervous. I'm always a bit tentative to get into a trade if I'm not already in the trade. Heading up to the non-farm payrolls. So quite often in the evening what I'll do is I'll just grab the computer from the desk just back here, I'll bring it to the couch, plug it in, just tune out, watch a bit of sports, a documentary, a movie, and just have the computer in front of me. You know, just be watching the charts, watching the tally, just relaxing, and I'll do that into the evening, you know, maybe 2 or 3 hours up to 11 or midnight or something, you know. So I wouldn't say I'm working too hard sitting here on the couch, you know, watching TV while I'm trading, but I'm certainly putting in the time, you know, always got the trading on my mind. Anyway guys, I hope that gives you a bit of a snapshot of a day in the life of a trader. There's many different ways we do it. This is episode 1, there's going to be many more to come. I hope you guys take some interest in it and tune in and just watch how we live, how we fit it all together. And yeah, hopefully you guys can adopt some of these principles into your own lives and yeah, make it work for you too. Alright, cool guys.